I just can't imagine making an RC car video without some kind of ground level camera. Of course, putting a camera on the ground where a car's going to get close to it can be a little bit risky. Seeing as how we want to get good video of all this, that means putting an expensive camera down there. And that's why I use my old GoPro Hero 3. And that's because I know it's just a matter of time before somebody messes up, which would probably be me, and we run the camera over. And those hits always seem to happen when the car's going as fast as it's going to go all day. And because we need to shoot a bunch of video to get all the footage we need, the camera can get hit more than once. Another good thing about using a decent camera for this is you can slow it down some and get some pretty decent footage of the crash. Assuming the camera survives, of course. This particular GoPro has proved itself to be really tough several times. The case around the GoPro is not only tough, but it's dust proof, and that's real handy here. This is the first time I've driven this car since I set the camera on all the wheels, so I'm not real sure how it handles. But I did see that this wasn't going to be good, so I did get on the brakes. I'm not sure why the dust doesn't stick on the case and cloud the view, but it doesn't. This is what happens when I'm coming into the turns faster than I was before and kind of overshoot things. But the camera's okay again. The nice thing about having the GoPro on a little tripod is that I can go stand it around the track in different places and find shots that really don't work for me. I've learned to always shoot from several positions and find the one that works. I suppose there might be a camera out there that's better than the GoPro for this kind of work, but I already own this and it's proven to me how tough it is. In addition to being run over a bunch of times, this thing has already fell off of an airplane 200 or 300 feet up in the air. That was years ago and it keeps shooting good video.